Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our health: high cholesterol and natural ways to lower it. High cholesterol can increase your risk of heart disease, but here's the good news: you can make simple, natural changes to bring it down. First, let's understand why your cholesterol might be high and why it's not dropping despite your efforts. One major culprit: stress. Chronic stress can elevate your bad cholesterol, LDL, and reduce your good cholesterol, HDL, due to the release of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Another surprising factor: your coffee. Unfiltered types like French press or Turkish coffee contain oily compounds called diterpenes, which can raise LDL cholesterol when consumed in large amounts. Think 5 to 8 cups a day. Medications like birth control pills, corticosteroids, and some blood pressure drugs can also inadvertently raise cholesterol levels. Thyroid issues, particularly hypothyroidism, can increase both total and LDL cholesterol. Diabetes can make cholesterol molecules more harmful and reduce protective HDL cholesterol. Post-menopause, a drop in estrogen levels can lead to a rise in LDL and total cholesterol. A sedentary lifestyle is another significant risk factor. Sitting for long periods reduces an enzyme that converts harmful LDL into beneficial HDL cholesterol. Conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease can impair the liver's ability to regulate cholesterol. And don't forget genetics. Familial hypercholesterolemia is a real thing. Lastly, a diet high in cholesterol, saturated fats, and trans fats can elevate LDL cholesterol levels. Now, let's shift gears to discuss some highly effective, natural methods to reduce cholesterol. First up, soluble fibers. These are found in foods like oats, beans, lentils, fruits, and vegetables. They help reduce cholesterol by binding to it in your digestive system and removing it from your body. Aim for at least 5 to 10 grams of soluble fiber per day. For instance, 1 cup of cooked oatmeal gives you about 4 grams of soluble fiber, while half a cup of cooked beans like black beans or lentils offers around 2 to 3 grams. An apple or an orange each provides about 1 to 2 grams of soluble fiber. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can help you easily reach your fiber goals and support your heart health. Remember, not all fats are bad. Healthy fats found in olive oil, avocado, and nuts can help reduce LDL cholesterol. Replace saturated and trans fats with these healthier options. Use about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil per day in your cooking, salads, or as a dip for bread. Include half an avocado daily in your meals, whether in salads, on toast, or in smoothies. A small handful of unsalted nuts, like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, is also a great addition. Next, omega-3 fatty acids. These are found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, and are excellent for heart health. They help lower triglycerides and increase HDL cholesterol. Try to eat fatty fish at least twice a week. Regular physical activity is also crucial. It can raise your HDL, good cholesterol, and lower your LDL, bad cholesterol. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling on most days of the week. If you're overweight, losing even a small amount of weight can significantly lower your cholesterol levels. Focus on a balanced diet and regular exercise to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Trans fats, often found in processed and fried foods, are particularly harmful. They are created during hydrogenation, so always check food labels to avoid products containing partially hydrogenated oils. Read labels carefully, even if they say 0 grams trans fat, as products can still contain small amounts if they have less than 0.5 grams per serving. Avoid processed foods and limit your intake of commercially baked goods and fried foods. Choose healthy alternatives like olive oil or butter instead of margarine and shortening. Smoking is another major risk factor. It lowers HDL cholesterol and increases the risk of heart disease. Quitting smoking can improve your HDL levels and overall heart health. If you need help quitting, seek support. Drinking alcohol in moderation can have some heart benefits, but it's crucial to avoid excessive consumption. Moderate alcohol consumption has been associated with certain heart health benefits, such as increased HDL cholesterol, which helps remove LDL cholesterol from your bloodstream. Additionally, moderate alcohol intake may reduce inflammation. Finally, consider green tea. It's rich in antioxidants that can help lower LDL cholesterol. Try swapping your usual cup of coffee for green tea to enjoy these cholesterol-lowering benefits. Plant sterols and stanols, found in fortified foods like certain margarines and orange juice, help block the absorption of cholesterol in your intestines. So there you have it, natural ways to reduce cholesterol. By incorporating these steps into your daily routine, you can maintain and lower your cholesterol levels. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below with any